Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Magic Eden login issues, wallet and network errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues on Magic Eden, let's troubleshoot some. First, verify that your internet connection is stable. Open your preferred web browser and clear the cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser to refresh the settings. Try navigating back to the Magic Eden website. Next, check if the browser you are using is up to date. If not, update it to the latest version to ensure compatibility. Consider switching to a different browser to see if the issue persists. Next, confirm that your digital wallet is properly set up. Open your wallet application and check for any updates. Ensure your wallet is connected to the correct network, usually the Solana network. If you are using a mobile wallet, make sure the app is updated. Reinstall the wallet extension in your browser if necessary. Once the wallet is installed, attempt to reconnect it to Magic Eden. If your wallet appears to be connected but still not working, disconnect and then reconnect it. Now, check for any known issues with Magic Eden by visiting their official social media channels or support page. Sometimes, server issues can affect login capabilities. If you find others are experiencing similar problems, it may be a temporary issue. If none of these steps resolve your issue, consider reaching out to Magic Eden's customer support for personalized assistance. Prepare to provide them with details of the error messages you encounter. Keeping track of your transactions and network activity can also help diagnose the problem. Take a moment to document any specific errors or behaviors you observe. Always ensure that your wallet private keys and recovery phrases are secure during this process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the login issues on Magic Eden efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.